Structural integrity confirmed.
Check the peak at 485 nanometers. See the spike?
It's within the acceptable range for the ballistic layer. Proceed.
Through Process B, every remnant is etched for traceability. The material is then allocated for ultra-hardened structural components, ensuring zero waste.
Gang. Automated wire brushes aggressively clean the titanium edges, a critical step for deep penetration welds. Following
cohort has tested for freeside. The robotic system applies a fluorescent dye for inspection. Under UV
The heavy titanium bathtub is hoisted high by an overhead gantry and lowered precisely into the airframe jig.
Check the torque on the forward mounts.
Reading steady. Structural integrity confirmed. The primary structural assembly of the forward fuselage, centered on the heavy titanium bathtub, is complete and moved to the engine integration.
The waterfall plot is stable. The leakage around the cockpit is well within the parameters.
Confirmed. We meet the international standards.
Vibration levels nominal. Hydraulic response is perfect.
Systems check complete.
How are the readings on the titanium layering?
Consistent across the board. Finalizing the report now.
Ground check complete. Roger that. Clear for taxi.
Under extreme stress, the welded titanium cockpit holds the aircraft together, demonstrating the ruggedness of its design as it climbs away.
Check the nesting on the titanium plates, Unit 7. Looks secure. All specs confirmed for transit.
Next pallet ready for staging.
Confirmed. Seal integrity verified. Move to secure Area 4.
Check the netting tension on the Frogfoot kits. Netting secure. We are ready to roll.
Zulu Niner, kits are secure. Proceed to the maintenance hangar.
Copy. Zulu Niner. Priority delivery confirmed.
Verified. All titanium components match the digital manifest. Proceed with installation on the Frogfoot.
We need to ensure the surface is completely clear of debris before the alignment.
The vacuum handles the particulates. The starboard side looks good.
Bring it down 5 millimeters.
Reading 0 clearance. Hard points engaged.
All clear, Falcon 1. You are good to go.
Roger that. Ground. Falcon 1 ready for active duty.
The logistics team ensures accurate tracking of critical spare parts, marking the titanium armor plate as consumed before returning the crate.
The instruction decal here mandates specific disposal procedures. We ensure full life cycle management.
We have the titanium alloy kits.
Confirmed on the manifest. Move them to the bay. Double time.
Right, confirm the structural beams.
Roger that. Plates are stacked. Manifest clear on the main assembly.
Move the armor plates to the cockpit. Positioning the welder now. Clear the area, clear.
The Su-25 Frogfoot, with its reinforced titanium bathtub cockpit, continues mission thanks.
The starboard panel aligns with the housing here. Understood. Securing the clamps now.